Tech here, back with another video, and I just recently got the Beats Solo 4 headphones, and I want to show you how to turn them on. So open them up, then on the bottom right headphone, you're going to look for that button right there, and you're going to press it and hold it down for like 1 second. So let's try that. All right, you see that light that powered up on the left headphone? It is ready to pair. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much how you do it. And if you want to turn it off, you just press and hold it again. All right, and that's how you do it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video.
Listen.